Good morning, friends. This is Gagan. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk about my paper, that is Artificial Intelligence Chatbot, which will enhance learning during pandemic situations. This particular topic is basically to increase the efficiency of learning in students. Particularly, I have classified this into two effective tactics. The first one is artificial intelligence engagement, which is nothing but giving a platform to a student to go with a real-time conversation. And the second one is instant conversation. The real-time conversation, which also known as instant conversation, will be done via WhatsApp. There are three different methods or three different ways you can elaborate conversational methods. The first one is context, which should be readily available with the student at any point of time. The second one is the professor or the teacher should always be there for student 24/7, and the student should feel that a real-time situation which they will get from the readily context plus the availability of professor 24/7. The current trends which every one of you know of online teaching is mentioned here. There are n number of examples, but I have taken very few. To name them are Zoom classes, NPTEL lecture, Coursera, Google classes, proctored classes, non-proctored classes. The future of online teaching, which my paper emphasizes, is the rise of digital business or the rise of use of digital media. And the second one is the teacher which will behave like a virtual robots, or they will give virtual assistant to the students at any point of time. The process which is going to be used in achieving these things will be a combination of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and teacher robots. I believe the success of this model will be very easy because of few data which I am sharing with you. Is the number of users which are there on social media, the number of users which are there on different platforms like WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can see 1.6 billion active users are there. That means there are n number of people, those who are using internet facility. And moreover, if people are not using internet facility, then also they have to fall under this category, because the future is depends only on the particular model which will have internet facilities. Without internet, the survival of education will be very difficult in time to come. The same data in different formats I can show you with the graphs, like active users of top social platforms. You can see here WhatsApp data of UK adults aged 18 plus. You can see the percentage. Almost everyone of from 18 to 24 year of age is using a WhatsApp. That means they are on internet. My basic concern is that they should use internet, and education is majorly focused on this group, 18 to 24. The model which I am proposing is AI powered model, which will have AI conversation, voice commands, instantaneous response, with the support of a teacher who will be there 24 into 7 as a chatbot. Probable outcomes. Whenever you propose a model, you should have in your mind what will be the outcome of these models. The outcome of these models will be the increase in productivity and learning experience for students. It gives teacher a friendly environment, means the teacher can record, save, share their presence at their time, which is very important for a teacher. And the situation which we are facing currently, a pandemic situation, this type of models will be very successful and safe. This situation will give rise to application based learning, and I believe this will lead to more innovative idea generation from the students, because once the students are taking the class to a different level, will give you a different sort of learning experience, and once the learning is good, the idea generation will be great. The future of chatbot based teaching, which are worrisome areas, few are examination and evaluating students. That means the learning of student is great, the understanding of student is great, the idea generation is great, but what about the examination and evaluation? This we have to think, we have to introduce something by which we can evaluate students also, and this will be an open book examination. And while reading or learning from chatbot based teacher education, the attendance of student will not be mandatory, so we need a student who are more responsible, who understand why learning is important. Then there will not be any problem. Still I believe it miles we have to travel, or miles we have to go, to create such learning environment where students will understand how teaching and learning is very important for their life. Thank you.